recommended that going into the future and to avoid the subject of huge pending bills in government, we have issued instructions that going forward, pending bills will be paid on a first-in, first-out basis, so that the older pending bills are sorted out before any new pending bills are done. Secondly, we have agreed that the National Treasury, working with the Attorney General's office, work out a mechanism that will enable us to have a predetermined mechanism of how to sort out pending bills that are ineligible.
Because at the moment, the counties are in a very dire situation. Some 6 counties have not received their money since January. Some 26 counties have not received their money since February. And 47 counties have not received their money in the month of March and April. It is critical for National Treasury to dispatch these funds as required by the law by 15th 15th date of the month, which is required to be paid. Therefore, we are happy to hear this 8 billion required by the 6 counties will be done this week. I would encourage the National Treasury by 15th of next week, as required by the law, to release funds for February, March, and of course, April. Finally, the issue of pending bills. We as counties undertake to honor the eligible bills which have been certified by the Auditor General. As long as we receive our funds, we shall definitely give priority to eligible bills and wait for the time when the ineligible bills will be given permission by the various committees.